Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to, this isn't Minecraft, this isn't really a video game of any sort, but it's the board button. And if you don't know what the board button is, it's basically a button on the internet for when you're bored. It pulls up random sites that board button has chosen, and it should be pretty interesting. So, yeah, let's give it a go. If you guys like this video, make sure to show us some support. And I have fooled around with this once before. Not much, but it was fun. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this, fam. Okay, go ahead. Press the board button. Okay, where are we gonna go? Create your own kung fu movie. I know where Bruce Lee was. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is interesting. Get my headphones on. Oh, I'm kind of scared. Interactive Kung Fu remix. She's getting serious. Alright, also starring. Who's starring? Nice.
Jetzt bist du dran.
Okay. Wow. I know where Bruce Lee lives. That's pretty crazy, yo. Let's go again. Crazy card trick. Seriously, this card trick will blow your mind. I would like to see it. Select by cards. So, okay, we'll do clubs. Okay, now relax, take a deep breath, mentally select a card, but don't click it. Okay. I'm gonna do the 5 clubs. Okay. Okay, blow my mind. Oh, that's crazy. What? What? That's crazy. How is that? Oh, that's some voodoo stuff right there. I'm not even gonna do it. Did it again. I had Queen of Hearts. It's not there. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Internet these days, mans. Click either side to add arrows. Is it Arrow Wars? Hunt or be hunted. Wait, kill them. Kill the arrows. Are they indestructible? No, I think they're indestructible. We could paint. We could paint the canvas. Ah! Never! Ah, okay. That's fun. Geo Kitten. Can your choice reveal where you live? I like that one. Yes, I live in North America. Okay. I like that one. Yeah. Your favorite between these two? Oh, I like that one. Dang. Yeah, I do. I like that kitten. Finally, which of the... I prefer that one just because he's hilarious. Hello. What? Wow. That's intense. It actually somewhat worked. I don't live in Glendale, but it's close. Okay. Incredibox. Express your is that a word? Musicality? It is now. Create your mix. Incredibox. Now what? Drag an icon. Drop music. Okay, drag icon, drop it on this guy. Create your mix. Okay. Okay, hopefully it doesn't take too long to load. Okay. I want y'all to have these. Wait, I need to turn up the sound. No. That's weird. No, bud. You gotta go. It's cool. This is awesome. This is so cool. This is so cool. I don't like that one. I don't know, we'll do this one. Yeah, that one should be cool. Oh. Yeah, I like that one. That's awesome. Cool. Oh yeah. Okay. That was cool. Document expired. Alright, I see how it is. Board button. Button. I meant to say board button. Boo. Okay. Inherently funny. Read lots of funny stuff. Advice, we'll do that. Bum belly big bang. Advice on how to take aim at and shoot a. Okay. I don't really need advice. Isn't this supposed to be fun? Yeah. Flavor. Yeah, if I want to laugh, I'll go look on iFunny. Mono face. A happy new year, folks. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. What the heck? What the heck? That's beautiful. Oh, I love it. What do I do? This is beautiful. Wait, who do we want? We want him. We want her. We'll do that. We'll do. Yes. Ah, Erica. We'll do him now. Wait, no. I want Can't tell if they're boys or girls now. Yeah, I'll do him. Oh, that's gross. That matches. I don't want it to match. I want it to look weird. Okay. Okay, we got this. No, it doesn't look right. There. Perfect. Okay, that's awesome. Play the World's Dumbest. Oh my god, I've seen this one. Oh, that's so dumb. Seriously? Okay, now I'm gonna have like an hour-long video of me holding, of just me holding the mouse. Oh no! Okay, that's dumb. I'm not that bored right now anyway. Okay, death timer. When will it, okay, no, I don't do that stuff. I don't do that stuff. That stuff is sorcery. Cause then you're like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna die today. Cause then it's like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna die today, or whenever, and you're gonna be freaking out, and something might actually happen. I don't know. I just don't want to deal with it. Okay, ball on a string. Click the ball, change the color, go crazy. Try. Oh my gosh. No, I got it. Oh, I swear I got that. Okay, wait, let's do it slow. No. Come on. Yeah, pro skills. No. I got it. I will. Yeah, pro skills. Oh, the string gets shorter each time. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm gonna win life. I feel like I'm gonna win life. Like, if I get this one more time, I win life. Come on, man. Come on, Mansers. No, I got it. No. No. Alright, I'm done. I'm done, guys. What is this? Make beautiful music. I don't like music. No, I like music. Rock, paper, scissors. Alright. How many goats? What will your dowry be? Okay, what are you? What will your dowry? I don't know what a dowry is. How many goats am I worth? Okay. Guys, there's no shame in wanting to know your goat count. The following questions gauge the goat worth. Okay. How old are you? Oh, I don't want to really reveal my age. Alright, whatever. The awkward years. I'm awkward. Okay, do you live at home? My mom's basement will always be my home. My home is my base, but only because I travel so much. Only when I'm home for the summer. I have to until I'm married. So snobby sounding. Which best describes your situation? I'm an aspiring actor. If YouTube counts on that, I'm an aspiring actor. No, I'm a student. Can I click both? Dang. If YouTube was one of them, I'd click that. What is your choice of drink on a hot summer's day? Oh. Boiling tea? Why? Coke? Coke might be good. I'd say, yeah, no, tap water. Half skinny, 1% extra hot split. White. This is the white girl answer. Okay, no, that was weird. It's an awesome answer, by the way. It is. I have nothing against that. I might do tap. I'll do a Coke. Describe your style. Shirt tucked in, no. Capri pants. Oh, so comfortable. Formal when I need to be, casual when I can be, and cool when I should be. Oh, emo. I love pain. Oh my god, it hurts so good. Okay, no. I'm definitely not emo. Unit. No. We'll do that one. And cool when I should be. Your car breaks down. What do you do? Go AAA to check it out. Jump out, pop the hood, and get to work. Call dad. Make your future wife get out. Make your future wife get out and check it out. Not a problem. When the bus breaks down, they always send to get now. I would probably first do that and then call AAA. There aren't nothing like mom's cooking, watching the game with the boys, volunteering my time, spending money in the future. Gangsta rap. Oh, mom's cooking. I'm a mama's boy. I got nothing against that. How do others describe your smell? I don't know if anyone's really described my smell. Maybe my mom. Axe, maybe? No, I don't wear Axe. Old Spice. Subtle and elegant. Okay. You have a post-it note and a Sharpie. What do you draw? I draw a stick, a smiley face, abstract scribbles. You're artistic. First glance, I'd probably draw a smiley face. You agree to be locked into an empty room for a week. You're not allowed to bring one of the following with you. Oh, you're allowed to be locked in it. What about food? Green names in Amber to kill a mockingbird. My thoughts. No. I would pick a piece of wood and a sharp knife. That's scary. Oh, I guess whittling. Paper and pen. I'd probably bring. I don't know. I feel like I could get to work with a. No, I might go crazy locked in a room for a week. Not with a piano. Bad stuff happens. Your goat is worth 9. Okay. My goat is worth 9. I'm worth 9 goats. Nice. You're almost the coolest guy around. Yeah. Okay, cool. We're worth 9 goats. I'm gonna have to write that down somewhere. I don't know. 9 goats seems pretty legit. Oh, avoid the bigger dots. I've played this one before on other websites. But I can eat the smaller dots and get bigger, I think. Ah! I don't want to die. Is that one smaller? I can't tell. No. Turn your text into an MP3. Okay, enter text in English. My mom.
My mom.
That's so cool. Mama's pie.
My mama's pie.
That's so sweet. Mama's pie. Okay. Find out when you turn 10,000 days old. What? I don't know. A wing. Oh, it's so cool. That's really loud though. That's awesome, but it's really loud. That's funny. Charming little websites do one thing and one thing only. Upvote your favorites. Are you kidding? This peanut looks like a duck. It totally does. Mind blown. Quack. I think I've seen these. Tom's dog was that. Hashtag Tom's dog's dog. Best website ever. Say as I start jamming out. Okay. Check out this one.
Dan! 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 Dan!
What?
Dan!
I don't know if you guys hear this.
Dan! 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 Dan!
Does he just go on with it?
Dan!
Done!
Dan!
That's awesome. Ooh, what's this? Yup. I need to make my own moonwalking video. That one's laggy. Oh, that's how it's done, boy. I like the motorcycle helmet, bro. Like it. Even the dogs was getting in on it. Ooh, sassy. Oh, that's how it's done. Oh, even the snail's getting in on that action. I like doing that. I'm doing it right now. Ah, stormtroopers. Nice candies. I'm just kidding. What do we got here? Oh yeah, she knows what's up. So glad I clicked on that site. What would I have done? Llama font. Say it in llama. What? Out, homies. Ice be coming. Watch out, homies. Ice be coming. That's awesome. I'm gonna save it. Llama fly. Save page as llama. Okay. Wait. Wow. My life all wrapped into one. I'm just kidding. I have a very good life. I'm just kidding. Meow mania. Nice. Meow. Is that all it does? Meow. No. Oh. Meow. Hello. Hello, my name is Meow. And my name is Meow. And I'm Batman. Meow. Succumb to the Meow Mania. Cut your own. I've been trying to get Nick Sandoval to record with me in RS, but I don't know, he's busy, he's got a lot to do. I don't know. Yeah, he's busy. He's a busy person. I'm proud of him. I raised him good, boys. I raised him good. If he were here right now, he'd be like, shut up. Click it. Click what? Oh! What have I done? I think I broke my computer. I broke everything. Play with beach balls. That's fun. Do. They all everywhere. They all up in this. I'm probably gonna play some music over this video. Get it all hype up in here. Okay, I broke it. I'm probably gonna wrap this up in a second. Anyway, oh, what's that? My computer just lagged out for a second. Type racer, I don't care. Anyways, guys, I'm probably gonna go ahead and wrap this up. We'll end this in a second with some screaming beans. Anyways, guys, I am gonna go ahead and end off this episode because it's been a good solid 25 minutes, I think. What's it been? It's been a good solid while, so we'll end this off with some beans, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.